So, today, February 18th, Saturday, just finished up a few exams, about to make myself breakfast. Today, we're hanging out with a couple of friends because it's Jingwen Day. Yeah. So, it is almost, it's 1:16, 1:30, going to Dave & Buster's. Never been before, I'm really excited. So yeah. Oh, check out the fit, check out the fit, check out the fit. What do we got? Got H&M side bag, some shirt from I don't know where, and the classic black jeans. Nice.
Where did Ice Spice even come from? Is she a SoundCloud rapper or is she like...
I think she...
Alright.
Maybe the video or us?
Okay, come on this side, There's the light. It didn't work. We're at Dave & Buster's. Jingwen, where's Jingwen? That's Jingwen. Fixing the card. I don't know, wait, hold on. So we just got in. So at first the ticket didn't work, but then we had to ask someone and they got it. We got like 400 credits-ish. And so now we're here at like, what is it? Whatever, like we're here at a... NBA Hoops. And so I think I'm gonna try it. Okay.
Okay, Rachel, turn that bike. Okay, Rachel. Oh, she's nice with it. Oh.
How was that game 10 out of 10?
It was a solid, I think it was a solid 7. Mostly for nostalgia factor.
Yeah.
8 for nostalgia.
Antisocial.
Okay. Alright, so we just finished up at Dave & Buster's. You can't see the sign, but Jingwen, what did you think? Rated out of 10. How much? What did you think?
I would say it was a solid 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10? Honestly, yeah. It was a solid 8 out of 10. What do you think, Sophia? 7.5? I would give it a 7.5. Because it could use more, everyone hypes it up so much, but I feel like maybe the one in Orlando is probably bigger.
Is it?
I feel like it looks like it's bigger. This one here in Tampa is like, it doesn't feel as big. It feels kind of small.
But it was still fun.
It was fun, yeah.
It was fun because of the people. Not the
Sabrina, give your rating out of 10. show your haul. Show the what you get with the tickets.
Because the games are rigged.
The games are rigged.
We got two of the silly things from childhood. Sticky hands.
So yeah, all right. So I would say very successful Dave and Buster's trip.
You should like walk out and then have it like in the background.
Now we're gonna go
Don't get ran over.
to the mall so they can dress me up. All right, bye Dave and Buster's.
Really good day to tell you what I've been feeling. Yesterday I woke up early for no reason. I keep seeing pictures of you on my phone. You going out? Thought you was staying at home. Well, I'ma take my time.
So we made it to the mall after like spending how long did we spend just trying to find it?
Probably like 5 minutes. I don't think it was that much.
Yeah, it was but like it's just a lot of cars here. It's really busy around this time here. But now we're going to the mall and I'm probably gonna get dressed up, which is gonna be funny. It's gonna be fun. I'm gonna let them choose my outfit because I'm the only dude. Let's see how this. I feel like it's gonna turn out okay. I feel like this might be a good thing.
I
So
feel like there's a pretty strong chance that the girls just get distracted by the clothes we see.
that's
and then you
true.
get
That's true
neglected.
too. That's also true. But yeah, so I guess we'll figure that out. So now we're beginning the game.
I
let them
don't-
choose whatever. I'll wear whatever they
Just wear this and
choose
this.
to make me wear. So
This one? Yeah.
I like the
see what they put together.
Yeah.
Let's see. What should we give Chua?
vibe.
What's the vibe? My outfit check.
My brother was like, "You ain't even
Oh
using
my
the
god. oh my god.
I like that green.
What is he
color.
doing? What are you doing? Oops, sorry. This one looks nice.
The color is just
The green.
yeah.
The green vibes. I think Chua looks nice in some yellow, wouldn't he?
I'm seeing what you guys are.
Are you picking out this? Something you like?
The cardigan.
I think it looks great.
I'm like really digging cardigans now. Took a little detour to get a bit of food and make a reservation at Cheesecake Factory. But we're gonna be going back, and then they're gonna dress me up, and then I'm gonna look all fly as hell. Spiffy. I'm gonna look spiffy. Spiffy. Yeah.
I could be cool, or I could be honest. Lately, your love is the only thing that I wanted. But like a house is so haunted, every turn I take takes me back where I started. I could be cool, and you're so modest. Never understood just how hard being apart is.
Josh, so far we have
You look like my feelings. You look.
we have these, we have this, and we have a beanie. Oh my gosh, zoom out.
I feel like if I'm gonna use this, I need to give an earthy color beanie.
Okay, guys, the fit is almost done. We got a white shirt, a white tee, we got a brown collar with some stripes, and then we got his glasses.
So my parents decided they would dress me up. This is the before. This is supposed to be the after. I will let you know. Here's the final result. Nice. I like it. I kind of like it. This makes. I think the sunglasses make it look cooler though.
Let it happen, tell the truth, never fight it. It's a really good day to tell you how I've been feeling. Open up and tell me what you've been dealing with. I know we haven't talked in a while, but I just wanna see you smile when you coming over.
Yo.
I just wanna see you smile when you coming over.
He stumbled over.
It's the one that's on the top, right? Yeah. So
But I think it's because I just like go
Our fun day has finally come to an end. Right, Rachel? Sad.
So sad.
Jingwen.
We got Cheesecake Factory. We played Just Dance.
Played Just Dance with Jingwen. Jingwen's really good at Just Dance. Literally only superstars and mega stars. So how'd you feel? Jingwen, come here.
Huh?
Jingwen, come here.
Oh.
Rate the day out of 10.
Today was definitely a 11 out of 10.
Aww, 11 out of 10.
Yeah.
What was your favorite part of the day?
My favorite part, I liked eating with y'all.
That was fun.
Yeah,
Eating was fun.
I like
Eating was a lot of fun. So
Despite our hour and a half wait.
because
I forgot
that was
So I
funny.
was 20
That
minutes
was
late to
funny.
the
I mean,
That
it
was
was
funny.
only another 10 minutes.
I really enjoyed getting dressed up. That was fun.
Oh,
that was
yeah,
really
just-
fun.
just
We
That
should
was
do
fun.
that again.
You should do that
It's
again.
a
Every time we go to the mall.
We have a new fit and you have a new compilation.
Plan this
Okay.
to like
Okay.
hang out.
All right.
Yeah.
All right.
I'm free almost every weekend.
Sophia, what was your favorite part of the day?
Eating.
Eating.
I've never been to Cheesecake Factory.
That was her first
I
time at
went-
Cheesecake Factory.
And the shrimp scampi was really good.
Good bread. Good bread.
Good bread. Really good bread. Gotta
Good
get
bread. Good bread. All right, Rachel, your favorite part of the day?
Mine was beating Josh that one time on Mario Kart.
I like to change my answer.
I
like to change my
I
answer.
whooped them.
Our favorite part of the day.
I whooped them all in Mario Kart, and then I took it
And then
easy
that
on
one
the
game,
second
everyone
run.
beat y'all.
Yeah.
Even
Sabrina, what was your favorite part of the day? No?
Just kidding. She doesn't want to be in the vlog.
Eating? How was your food? You had really good food, right, Rachel? Right.
Yeah,
Right.
yeah, she had really good food.
Right, Rachel? All right, but that's it for us. I think that's it for Jingwen Day. So
I mean, we still have to drive back.
we still do have to drive back, but I'm tired
Jingwen's
and
Day,
it's
yeah.
super.
You know, we have. Wait, let me correct. We have to drive back.
Yeah,
Sorry.
Josh
gets to-
I get to be passenger princess.
Did you
Thanks
see
for
that
watching.
TikTok I sent you about being a passenger princess?
Yes, I did. I did see it.